Hey guys, today we're in Nanluoguxiang and we're gonna try and get some street food and have some snacks.
Yes, Nanluoguxiang is a very popular street, mostly for the shops and the street food. As you might know, one of the things that you really have to try in Beijing is Beijing duck. Now, if you're here on your own, then it will be tricky to get a whole duck because it is a lot of food. So what they came up with is this Beijing duck roll, like a baozi. She rolled it, it's like a wrap, and inside it has some lettuce, cucumber, salt, and of course duck. Usually when you eat duck, it doesn't come with lettuce. But this one has lettuce and it is surprisingly tasty. It's really crunchy, the wrap is soft. The texture of this roll is super nice. Crunchy from the lettuce, and cucumber is soft from the duck, and the wrap, and then a little bit crunchy because of the crispy skin. In the past couple of years, Beijing has been really working on improving the food safety. And that is why a lot of the street vendors have moved from the outside to the inside to sell their snacks.
So I got a chicken leg, would be the best way to describe it. These are just some of the small snacks you can get along this street. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It's very hot, just came off the grill as you saw. And it looks, it looks like a chicken leg. I believe there's something stuffed inside of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and bite into it and see exactly what it is. Yeah. So it's a chicken leg that's been stuffed full of rice, so they cut it open, they stuff rice in there. Also looks like a pea here, so they put some vegetables in there also. So it's an interesting kind of snack. I've never had it before. I'm gonna try and get a better bite to see what's all in there. And it's super hot. So yeah, it's rice and corn and peas, and it's all stuffed inside this chicken leg. So it's interesting. I've never had this before. And it's also steaming hot. In terms of taste, kind of tastes like fried rice with chicken. That's kind of maybe what they're going for. You got the peas, you got the carrots, you got the corn, and then you have the chicken, but it's all kind of inside of each other. So it's really interesting. It's one of the things you can get on this street.
Choosing my drink. There's a lot of choices. We have fruit drinks, milk teas, some drinks with cheese, it looks like. Not sure what I should get though, but let's go inside and check out what they have. But that is strawberry, it's not mine. It's not me. I don't like strawberry drinks, but kumquat, yes. Hot summer days require you to stay hydrated, so I got myself a kumquat lemon drink, lots of ice, some slices of lemon or lime in there. It is sweet and sour at the same time, but really cold and refreshing though.
甜的吃吧，甜的。
Okay.
What fun?
请展示二维码。 交易成功，已到账时。
Another snack that you can get here in Nanluoguxiang is a gui hua gao, which means a rice cake. It's a rice cake. Oh, it's really heavy. You can see sugar on it, and here at the top is some date, I believe, sugar, and it is heavy and big. It's a gold snack. You can see the piece of rice. It's like a sticky rice. Sweet and a little bit of a date flavor to it, I think. I like it. I like the consistency too, the texture. Like these types of snacks are my favorite, but it seems like, well, because it's so heavy, it's gonna turn around. Not easy to eat though, but delicious.
Yvonne eating squid. One of the many things you can get on this street. How is it? Tastes like chicken?
No, it's
It tastes like squid? Too hot.
Spices are good. Want a bite?
It's really hot.
But taste it. Does it taste it?
Tastes like chicken.
This was Nanluoguxiang, a shopping street with lots of snacks and little boutique shops. If you want to see some of the other food that you can eat in Beijing, check out this video.